Merry Christmas! Happy Noche Buena! Woo! Early Noche
Dashing
Buena!
through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
Oo nga,
Over the
eh.
fields we go,
Kamayin muna!
laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun
Hindi,
it is
mamamatay
to
na sa
ride in
gutom.
one horse sleigh so tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all
Okay, are
the
you
way.
done?
Oh,
Okay,
what
they're
fun
done.
it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells,
At tamad
jingle
yan.
all the way.
Sa lawang gulay tayo ah. Actually, si Bagbaga ni Henry Tatay. Dapat nagwakatuyo kung ito na. Ah, that looks good! Come on, Grandpa!
Take the girls tonight, sing a sleighing song.
How about you just leave that? Well, it's not White Christmas, but I love it. I love it that it's warm. Look, this is our surroundings. Look at that.
Where's the plate?
Plate over there.
Okay.
Okay, kumain na kayo mga teenagers. Ay, parang gusto ko ng suka. Para sa ano?
Future
Okay, hurry now. Rice is over here.
Chicken Little.
Come on, rice is over here.
My eyes are itchy.
Dahil sa pusa?
Ryan, I'll be running around.
Na-allergy na siya.
Falling now.
Archie. Why is the rice so hot?
No, that's been right.
Okay.
Why are you touching his...
No, that's been wrong.
Bird.
Rice is life.
Yeah.
Hell. Sorry, why are you doing sound effects? This is the best part.
Okay. Rice. Because rice is life.
Stop it!
Here.
Give me my shrimp.
Me too.
No, give me my
Emras.
shrimp.
Ay, wag ka ngang mapang-asar, Emras, please.
Look, he's getting all the shrimp.
No. Tama na yan, Tio. Tio.
Last one.
What kind of meat is this?
It's ham. Thank you sa masarap na pagkain.